Hello, so this application called Stock Access Rules will allow you to give certain access rights for warehouse and locations to certain users, and hence they won't be able to use those warehouse products for any sales order and purchase order if they do not have the access rights to. So let's see how it works. So first we will go to settings, and under settings I will go to users. Here we have two users, Mohit and Kiara. So if I go to Mohit's user, here you can see we have the inventory access rights, and Mohit has the access rights as a super warehouse manager. And under preferences, Mohit also have the available location. So here you can add multiple locations for which you want to give the access rights to this particular user. Now Mohit has the access rights to the main warehouse. You can see that over here. Now let's go to Kiara. Kiara, as of now, does not have any super manager warehouse access rights. She just have the administrator access rights, and under preferences, she have the access rights to the second warehouse. You can see that here. Now, if I go to inventory, and I will go to one of the locations. So let's say this is one of the location, and under every location, if a certain user has been allocated, you can see those under locations as well. So here we have Kiara for this location, and for the main warehouse we have Mohit. So now let's see how it works. So let's say I will switch to Kiara's account. Now here we are in Kiara's account, and I will go to sales, and I will create a new quotation from here for the sales order. I will add the product. I'll save this, and if I go to other info underneath, you can see that the warehouse right now is the main warehouse for which Kiara does not have the access rights to. So let's confirm this. So as soon as we confirm, you can see you get the access error saying that this restriction is due to the following rules, that is stock location allowed user. Now let's say if I change the warehouse to the second warehouse for which Kiara have the access rights to, and let me confirm this, and you can see it can be easily confirmed because Kiara have the access rights to the second warehouse and not the first warehouse. The same goes for purchase as well. So if I try to create a new purchase, here you can see the purchase will be delivered only to the second warehouse because Kiara has the rights to only second warehouse and not the first warehouse. And if I go to Mohit's account, you can see we are back to Mohit's account, and if I create a new purchase order from here, Mohit have the rights to all the warehouses because he has the access rights as a super warehouse manager. So this is how the application works. If you have any questions, please leave your questions in the comment section below, and we will get back to you with an answer. Also, do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Until then, thank you.